Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, we're going to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. We've got a list of lunch choices from the office, and we want to see, visually, what percentage of each option was selected. But here's the key. We can't create a pie chart directly from the raw list. We need to summarize the data first. Let's do that. Step 1. Get the unique choices. We're going to create a small summary table. In an empty column, type this formula, and I'll include it in the description so you can copy and paste it. Here's what this does. B2 to B is the range of lunch choices. Unique pulls out each choice only once. Now we have 3 choices listed. For example, McDo, Sweetgreen, KFC. Step 2, count each choice. Next to the first unique value, let's say it's in D3, we're going to use COUNTIF. Use this formula. I'll include this one in the description as well. Here's what's happening. B:. B is the full column where all lunch votes are. D3 is the specific choice we're counting. COUNTIF counts how many times that choice appears. Now copy and paste that formula down for the other options. You should now see something like McDo, 5. Sweetgreen, 11. KFC, 4. Now we have proper summary data, and this is what we use for the pie chart. Step 3. Insert the pie chart. Select your summary table, the unique names and their counts. Go to Insert, Chart. Google Sheets may automatically suggest a chart. If it doesn't suggest a pie chart, go to Chart Type. Click the drop-down. Scroll down past column and bar. Select Pie. You'll see options for pie, donut, 3D, pie. You can switch between them anytime. Step 4. Customize the chart. Let's make this look clean and professional. Click on the chart, then go to Customize, Chart Style. Background color, none. Chart border color, none. You can also toggle 3D if you want it to look more interesting. Now here's something important. Go to Customize, Pie Chart, find Slice Label and change it to Label. This takes the labels from the legend and places them directly on each slice. Much cleaner. Step 5. Clean it up. Go to Customize, Chart Style, Maximize. Then scroll down to Legend, select None. Now we don't need the legend because the labels are directly on the slices. If you want, you can also edit the chart title. Change slice colors. For example, McDo, red, Sweetgreen, green. KFC, dark orange. Now we have a clean, customized pie chart. What this shows. Instead of staring at numbers, we now instantly see Sweetgreen is more than half of the selections. We don't even need the exact number to understand the trend. That's the power of visualizing your data. If you want to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I've got plenty more tutorials to help you level up your sheets. And I'll see you in the next one.